How to hide a certain type of YouTube shorts from your YouTube shorts recommendations or your feed. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can hide a certain type of YouTube shorts that you don't want to see. So in order to start, the first thing that we'll be going to do is simply launching our YouTube application. That we can do so by tapping onto the YouTube icon, and now you can see that just as I enter the home page, I can see some different types of shorts in this. So for example, let's say I don't want to watch a particular short, or I don't want to get recommended these types of shorts. So what I can do is simply click onto the three dots present at the top right corner of that particular YouTube short. So for example, let's say if I don't want to watch videos of this type, or let's say this type, so what I can do is simply tap onto these three dots and then click onto this first option that says not interested. So the moment I will do this, you can see that the recommendations have been tuned and the video has been removed from my section of YouTube shorts feed. So that's how easily you can remove a particular YouTube short from your recommendations. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.